Welcome back to HARBRO Freight. And finally, the bucket has come back to Harbor Freight free bucket sale. It's here. It's this weekend, starting tomorrow. If you're a HARBRO Freight, then this is the deal for you. So let's just go over it, make sure we understand it. We have finally our free bucket with any in-store purchase, Inside Track Club only. Makes me feel a little special. In stores only, free bucket with any purchase, but be careful, there's a double asterisk. So we will read the double asterisk. Limit 1 usage per customer per day. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Valid in store only for existing and new INSDI Track Club members. Receive a free bucket item 56575 with any single purchase. Tools and lid sold separately. That's a huge one. I thought I was going to be clever and tell you at the end, but you don't have to get the lid. Buckets don't need lids, but this is the item you can get along with your free bucket. Anyways, let's keep reading. Cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, gift cards, or prior purchase. Valid. They're really messing up on the editors here. Harbor Freight. I can edit. Valid if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, and where prohibited. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last. Valid 5/16 through 5/18/25. This is an ITC deal, valid only for members. Our ITC members can get access to exclusive member deals on new items monthly. Look for the blue tags in store or view online. When you're ready to join, click here. Oh, and then they have some great examples. These are the ones I was going to show you. You may also like because they know I've clicked on them. Free bucket for the weekend. Only thing you have to decide is what item you're getting this weekend. So I have a few suggestions. Of course, the dollar days are great, but we'll get to that in a second. First, this is one of the super coupons. You do need the coupon. Limit 3 per customer. The Icon Professional Mini Soft Grip Pick and Hook Set. 4-piece. Normally, it's $20, but it's 25% off for $15. $5 savings, 25% is an excellent deal on these. Not a bad pickup to get if you're going in to get your free bucket, or if you're just going into Harbor Freight for the weekend. This is a decent time to do it. Next, also, actually, this is an ITC deal going through the 29th. These are the Icon SAE color-coded L-shaped ball end hex set, 13-piece, $24.99 normally, 32% off at $16.99. And this is available in both SAE and metric. Again, excellent deal on these L-shaped ball and hex set, 13-piece, 32% off. And we'll keep going. One of the new super coupons, hot summer savings, the Icon Professional Metric Combination Wrench Set, 14-piece, 15-degree offset, SAE and metric, precision machine for a perfect non-slip fit, tough and durable polish, chrome finish. Beautiful, beautiful tools here. Normally $120, $40 off. That's 33%. $40 off. You get these for $80. Your choice of SAE or metric. And yeah, that's a little bit pricey, but a great deal. $40 off. You have till the 26th to do this. So you don't have to do this weekend, but not a bad time to combine it with a free bucket. Another one from the new recent super coupons, the Quinn 1/2-inch drive, 25 to 250 foot-pound digital torque adapter. Now this is probably, I would say, a must-have unless you have a lot of torque wrenches lying around. But if you don't want a torque wrench and you're looking for something a little bit more amenable, something to use with your existing ratchets, or something that's just versatile, convert any 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar into a precision torque wrench. High quality display, plus or minus 2% accuracy. The Quinn 1/2-inch drive, $37.99, 15% off of the $45 when purchased online. I think in store it might be $50, I think is what we saw. Excellent deal on this Quinn 1/2-inch drive torque adapter. Another one to consider, summer's right around the corner. We're in summer. 20% off any single Niagara hose. Limit one coupon per customer. If you were waiting to buy your hose, I mean, you do have till the 26th, but this is the weekend. Get a bucket with your water hose, your new Niagara water hose, 20% off. So excellent item to combine this deal with to get your free bucket. And then also, if you want to go something a little bit more on the frugal end, you have this Pittsburgh precision screwdriver set with molded handle, 6-piece for $3, 50% off. Super handy precision screwdriver set made of durable chrome vanadium steel in rust resistant finish. You can be in and out with a $3 set of these Pittsburgh screwdrivers and a bucket. So can't go wrong with this. And then of course, I alluded to it earlier, actually said it, the bucket doesn't come with a lid. So if you want a matching lid for your bucket, you can spend the $3 here and get the matching lid. Easily forgotten. Not obvious that it doesn't come with a lid. So, how many people notice that their bucket doesn't have a lid? But $3 for the lid, and you'll have a matching set with your bucket. Or if you want the best deal of all of them, I think there's a couple better deals. But one of the best deals you can get, and you always need a pencil, something to mark stuff with and not roll away on your workbench. The 7-inch Carpenter's pencil at 69 cents. You're not going to find anything priced nicer than this. And you can get your free bucket. And that's the weekend deal. Free bucket with any purchase in store. Inside track. Limit 1 uses per customer per day. Although, hopefully you have multiple Harbor Freights in your area. And it does say no coupon required. So, I'm pretty sure it's impossible to track. But anyways, are you the person who gets 5 buckets over the weekend? Do you get 10 buckets, or do you just get your 1 bucket and then you wait for the next sale? Either way, happy Harbor Freighting. I hope you find these useful. And if you do, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.